Good morning, children. Now, I will explain kinds of food. In kinds of food, Indian food is over, North Indian food is over, Indian food over, North Indian food is over. Now, next, West Indian food. West Indian food. In Western India, the desert cuisine is famous for its unique taste and varieties of food. Now, Rajasthan and Gujarat are the states that represent the desert flavor of Indian food. Here, an immense variety of dals and achars, pickles, preserves is used that simply substitutes the relative lack of fresh vegetables in this area. In this Rajasthan and Gujarat is a desert areas. In these areas, the food is very tasty food and pickles are preserved in this area. Now next, vegetables also very fresh area. Now in the state like Maharashtra, the food is usually a mix of both north as well as south cooking styles. The Maharashtra food is usually both mixed food, south food and north food. Okay. Now, here people use both the rice and wheat with same interest. So, south and north side using chapati and rice. In Maharashtra using both. We are interested in chapati and rice also. Along the coastline of Mumbai, a wide variety of fishes is available. In Mumbai, variety different types kinds of fishes are available. Some of the delicious preparations include dishes like the Mumbai prawn and pomfret. These are the special in Mumbai. Now in Goa, that is further down towards south, one can notice Portuguese influence in the cooking style as well as in the dishes. Some of the major dishes of this region are the sweet and sour vindaloo, duck buffet, sotpotal and egg mole, etc. In Goa, which kind of food is a special, amma? So, look at that. Sweet is a, in Mumbai is interested. Now next, sour vindaloo, duck buffet, sotpotal and egg mole. These are the special in Goa. Now next, East Indian food. What is the next one, amma? East Indian food. In the Eastern India, the Bengali and Assam style of cooking are noticeable. The staple food of Bengalis is the yummy combination of rice and fish. Bengalis, they all eat. They are special in Bengalis rice with fish. Yummy rice with fish. And usually the Bengalis love eating varieties of fishes. Bengalis like varieties of fishes are okay. Bengalis are like different varieties of fishes. Now a special way of preparing the delicacy known as hilsa is by wrapping it is in the pumpkin leaf and then cooking it. What is that? And pumpkin leaves also they cooking and eat. Pumpkin leaves, not only pumpkin leaves also eat and cook and eating. Another unusual integrated that is commonly used in the Bengali cooking is the bamboo shoot. Another one is the what, amma? Another special is Bengalis bamboo boo. That is a special item in Bengalis. Various sweets prepared in these regions by using milk, including the rasgulla, sandesh, cham and many more. Which types of sweets are there, amma? In Bengalis? Rasgulla, sandesh, cham and many more. Okay, these are East Indian food. Now next among South Indian food. In the southern India, the states make great useful of spices, fishes and coconuts, as most of them have coastal kitchens. What is that? Spices, fishes and coconuts in the South Indian food. Special of the South Indian food. In the foods of Tamil Nadu, use of tamarind is frequently made in order to important sourness to the dishes. Tamarind. In Tamil Nadu, use of tamarind. This use of tamarind is frequently using in order. It simply distinguishes the Tamil food from other cuisines. The cooking style of Andhra Pradesh is supported to make expressive use of chilies, which is usually to improve the taste of the dishes. In Andhra Pradesh, different use of chilies used in the dishes, so it's a very tasty. In Kerala, some of the delicious dishes are the lamb steak and upmas, Malabar fried prawns, idlis, doshas, fish mole and rice puttu. These are the Kerala specials. Now another famous item of this region is the sweetened coconut milk. Sweetened coconut milk is also another special dish in the Kerala. Item of this region is the sweetened coconut milk. Yet another dish is puttu, which is a glutinous rice powder steamed like a pudding in a bamboo shoot. These are the special in the Kerala. This totally about food in different states. Different specials are there. Kinds of food. Okay, ma. Still any doubts in the lesson? Good. Please go ask in our group, Sama. Now, next class I will give hot words and question answers. Okay, children. Thank you. Bye.